Smart rings are the next big thing in fitness tracking, and I've got my hands on the lightest one yet, the Ultrahuman Ring Air. I've been wearing it for nearly 3 weeks, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know. Let's get started. Before unboxing, let's talk about the sizing kit that arrives first. Since I don't usually wear rings, finding the right size was essential, and the kit made it simple. It includes sizes 5 to 14 and showcases the available finishes for the Ultrahuman Ring Air. The sizing kit also has clear instructions, recommending you wear the sample for a couple of nights to ensure comfort before finalizing your size. Once confirmed, your actual ring arrives within about a week. So, the box for this little ring is surprisingly big. Inside, you'll find the ring sitting on top. Underneath that, there's a card with some info about Ultrahuman, a cheeky "Hello Cyborg" message, and the user manuals. Below that, there's the charging dock for the ring, a USB-C cable, and even some brand stickers. When I first opened it, I was like, wait, this lightweight metal thing came in such a big box? Does it even track fitness? Spoiler alert, it absolutely does. This Aster Black variant is incredibly lightweight and super comfortable to wear. The shiny finish does pick up fingerprints easily, but honestly, it gets the job done perfectly. Ultrahuman sent this over for me to review, and they didn't ask me to sugarcoat anything. So, I'll be sharing both the pros and cons to help you decide if it's worth it. Also, their biggest Black Friday deal is live right now, and I'll talk more about that in a minute, so stay tuned. The setup process is very simple. First, place the ring on charging dock for at least 30 minutes. Then, download the Ultrahuman app, connect the ring, and add your details to complete the setup. Oh, and there's no subscription required to use the app, and that's a major win for it. You can wear the ring on any finger, but Ultrahuman recommends the index, middle, or ring finger for the best tracking. Ultimately though, it's totally up to you. The Ultrahuman Ring Air is all about comfort and simplicity. It offers 4 to 5 days of battery life depending on how you use it, and it's a big relief compared to smartwatches that need charging almost daily. It's less than 3 grams, so it's incredibly lightweight and sleeker than most smart rings and watches. It's also water resistant up to 100 meters, so you can keep it on while swimming and showering. Plus, it's built with a tungsten carbide coating, making it resistant to scratches. On the tech side, it's packed with a couple of sensors to monitor your health and fitness. I've been using the Ultrahuman Ring Air for a few weeks now, and the data it provides is pretty accurate. The app does mention that sleep tracking takes about 2 weeks to calibrate, and now it's working great. Before this, I was using the Galaxy Watch 5, so I actually wore both to compare sleep data, and the vitals are almost identical. I'll definitely do a full comparison between these two, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. In terms of durability, it's held up well. I've accidentally hit it on hard surfaces a few times, and so far, no scratches. However, it's not recommended to wear it during heavyweight workouts or when carrying metal objects repeatedly, as those could leave marks on the ring. One thing I've noticed that it detects workouts and even short naps super quickly, which honestly makes it better than my smartwatch in that aspect. The Ultrahuman app is super intuitive and packed with features. There are 3 main score indexes that help you optimize your sleep, recovery, and activity. Sleep Index tracks your sleep stages: deep sleep, REM, light, and awake, and also shows HRV and temperature changes. Recovery Score combines HRV, heart rate, and skin temperature to give insights into your body's state and needs throughout the day. And the Movement Index monitors your activity levels and emphasizes benefits like better circulation and posture, not just calorie burn. Before we move forward, let's talk about the price of this smart ring. The Ultrahuman Ring Air is priced at $349, and here's the best part: there are no subscription costs for its curated features. But right now, Ultrahuman is running their biggest sale of the year, with 20% off this Black Friday season. If you're interested, click the link in the description, or use this code to grab this deal before it's gone. Honestly, with no ongoing costs and all its features, this could be a great gift for the holiday season too. Let's dive back into the app and talk about PowerPlugs. These are like add-on modules for various health metrics, and I'll quickly break them down. Screen Time module tracks mobile usage and its impact on your sleep and offer better, healthier habits. Vitamin D tracking helps optimize your sun exposure while sending real-time alerts to prevent overexposure. Circadian alignment recommends the best times to get sunlight, exercise, and wind down to boost energy and improve sleep. Caffeine window tracks and optimizes your caffeine or stimulant intake throughout the day. AFib detection is the one of 2 subscription-based modules, and it monitors your heart rhythm every night for early signs of AFib. But keep in mind, it's only available in select countries right now. Cardio adaptability is the other subscription-based module that uses advanced tachograms and Lorenz plots to analyze how your heart adapts to activity, stress, and rest. For women's health, there are 2 free modules in the app. Cycle tracking provides a detailed view of your menstrual cycle phases and predictions. Secondly, the Pregnancy Insights tailors health tracking and recommendations for pregnancy. There are even more PowerPlugs on the way, so the app is constantly improving. Plus, other features like workout mode, breathwork mode, and cardio age are scattered throughout. If you'd like a full walkthrough of all the app features, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a deep dive video. The app also manages your ring settings, showing the battery level, power saving options, and a flight mode. Flight mode disconnects the ring from your phone, but still tracks all the necessary data. There's also a locate my ring feature in case you misplace it. I did experience some connectivity issues between the ring and app during testing, but Ultrahuman's support team was super responsive and fixed it within hours, so thanks for that. Now, who's this ring really for? The Ultrahuman Ring Air is perfect for anyone focused on their health and fitness, but doesn't want to deal with bulky smartwatches that need daily charging. Smart rings are stylish, lightweight, and versatile enough to wear for any occasion. Overall, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is one of the best smart rings out there. It's lightweight, feature-packed, and, most importantly, doesn't lock you into subscriptions for most of its functionality. What do you think? Are you planning to grab one during the Black Friday sale? Let me know in the comments. A big thanks to Ultrahuman for sending this over. It's much appreciated, and thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.